Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on replacing the motor in your Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner. This process will help restore the suction power and efficiency of your vacuum, making your cleaning tasks easier. Let's dive into the step-by-step instructions. First, gather all the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep all screws organized. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV14 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure no power is going to the vacuum. Next, remove the canister and the filter. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover of the vacuum. There are usually about 4 screws to take out. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. If you're unsure about your abilities, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get assistance if needed. Once the back cover is removed, you will see the motor assembly. Carefully disconnect the wires attached to the motor. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry off the connectors if they are stuck. Be cautious not to damage the wires during this process. Now, using the Torx screwdriver, remove the screws that hold the motor in place. There are typically 3 screws. Once these are removed, you can gently lift the motor out of its housing. This is a good time to clean the internal area of the vacuum, as dust and debris can accumulate here, affecting performance. If you don't have the tools or the time for this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can sit back and relax while we take care of everything for you. Next, take your new motor and insert it into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws using the Torx screwdriver and secure the motor in place. Make sure the screws are tight, but do not over-tighten to avoid damaging the motor. Reconnect the wires to the motor, ensuring that they are properly secured. It's important to double-check that all connections are firm to prevent any malfunction. After reconnecting the motor, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the Phillips screws. Again, ensure all screws are tightened adequately. Finally, reinsert the canister and filter. Before you test your vacuum, take a moment to ensure everything is in place and there are no leftover screws or parts. If you wish to know the cost before proceeding with a repair, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you are fully informed. Now, plug in your Dyson SV14 and turn it on. You should notice a significant improvement in suction power if the motor was the issue. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can keep your vacuum running efficiently for years. Thank you for following this guide, and happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.